Hello everyone, myself Chetna Bisht from BSc Mathematics Honours first year. So today the song which I'm gonna sing is my all-time favorite song by Lata Mangeshkar ji, and that song is Ajeeb Daasta Hai Ye. So अजीब दास्ता है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ ख़त्म, ये मंजिलें है कौन सी, ना वो समझ सके ना हम। अजीब दास्ता है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ ख़त्म, ये मंजिलें है कौन सी, ना वो समझ सके ना हम। ये रोशनी के साथ क्यों धुआं उठा चिराग से, ये रोशनी के साथ क्यों धुआं उठा चिराग से, ये ख्वाब देखती हूँ मैं या जग पड़ी हूँ ख्वाब से। अजीब दास्ता है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ ख़त्म, ये मंजिलें है कौन सी, ना वो समझ सके ना हम। मुबारक है तुम्हें कि तुम किसी के नूर हो गए, मुबारक है तुम्हें कि तुम किसी के नूर हो गए, किसी के इतने पास हो कि सबसे दूर हो गए। अजीब दास्ता है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ ख़त्म, ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी, ना वो समझ सके ना हम। किसी का प्यार लेके तुम नया जहां बसाओगे, किसी का प्यार लेके तुम नया जहां बसाओगे, ये शाम जब भी आएगी तुम हमको याद आओगे। अजीब दास्ता है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ ख़त्म, ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी, ना वो समझ सके ना हम। अजीब दास्ता है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ ख़त्म, ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी, ना वो समझ सके ना हम। थैंक यू।
I welcome all my young friends to Ramanujan College. Friends, each year we admit about 1000 students in different courses. Let me tell you that Ramanujan College is a Delhi University maintained 100% funded by UGC. Friends, Ramanujan College is a A-grade institution from NAC, and we have 53 ranking, NIRF ranking in the country. That means we are at level 53 all over the country comparing other colleges. Friends, the college has about 120 faculty members, 80 non-teaching staff, 3,000 students. Courses, as I told you, mainly we offer in commerce management, mathematical sciences, that is computer science, mathematics, statistics, social sciences, applied psychology, philosophy, political science, and language courses like Hindi and English. We also offer economics honors. Shortly, we have been given some new courses like history honors and operations research. Friends, the college has about 10 centers of advanced excellence, research, teaching, learning, and other useful activities. These centers, of course, are meant for all the students who have specific interest in different areas. I am not explaining the functioning of each and every center, that your department will explain to you, but you have opportunities to work in different areas through these centers. Friends, another important aspect of this institution is that we have state-of-art infrastructure. Most modern building, IT labs, internet facilities, most advanced sports facilities, societies, clubs which has lot of facilities. We have a studio and a society called Film Society, and we offer training for all these societies with some external experts. Friends, beside this, we offer 2 BVOC courses, that is BVOC in banking and software development. We have a very active placement cell which works throughout day and night for placing the students and for giving internship during course of study. We also have 10 certificates, diploma courses, executive development courses, and various technology related courses. Let me tell you, today the environment is different. All of you must think and plan in advance, because you will be spending precious 3 years in this college, and I am always available for you during your stay in this college as our other colleagues who will be guiding you, motivating to you in different areas. During the pandemic, for the last 2 years, the college has been very active in dealing with its students and teachers. Why I am saying so? That we are also a teachers training center by Ministry of Education. It is popularly known as Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya National Mission for Teachers and Teaching. And we have already trained 150,000 teachers. Similarly, we offer several online courses for students. And I believe more than 10,000 students have been trained during this period in various advanced courses. Friends, let me tell you another feature. As I told you that we have very good modern IT labs, very good infrastructure, both in terms of sports, societies, grounds, environment, water conservation, solar energy production. In every sphere, we are working in this college. We have our own EDX portal. We have recently placed our own private cloud, which will help you in doing various activities and research. As I told you, we have several societies and clubs through which you can refine your taste in various areas. For example, if you are a theatre person, we have a theatre group. If you want to work in films, we have a film society. If you want to work in dance society, if you want to work in fashion society, if you want to work in Bhangra society, if you are interested in NSS, NCC, every facility is available in this college. Another important feature which I would like to share with you, that you are entering in this three-year program in Ramanujan College. Let me tell you, you are very fortunate that you are entering one of the best, not only in the country but also in Delhi University. See, once you have entered in this college, you should feel pride in it and create a sense of belonging, that okay, till I graduate, I will not leave this institution. And another important thing, that even after leaving, be creative, be associated with this institution, because we own you. You are part of the family of Ramanujan College. Friends, I will briefly explain to you, because you might have heard or you might have read about New Education Policy 2020. Government of India had brought it last year. This will change the face of education in coming years. Of course, you are not admitted under that this year, because that will start from next year. But you must know about New Education Policy. The various things, briefly I will explain, but I will be interacting to you from time to time, and I will be talking about the New Education Policy. See, the main plank of New Education Policy is that we are henceforth be giving you lot of flexibility, in the sense that the undergraduate degree can be 3 years or 4 years, or you can leave after 1 year, you can leave after 2 years, and you can rejoin to complete your degree. So this kind of flexibility. Second important thing is the interdisciplinarity and multidisciplinarity. Friends, do not confine yourself with your discipline. Let us say you are a commerce student, let us say you are a mathematics student. Just don't remain on that. You must know the history, you must know the psychology, you must know the philosophy, you must know the other disciplines, and integrate them with your own subject. So there will not be hard separation of art, science, commerce, nothing like that in New Education Policy. Moreover, the emphasis is on local language. See, most of the teaching happens in this college in English, but you have no bar. You can complete your degree by reading the books in Hindi, or your teacher will explain to you various things in Hindi, and you can also write your examination in Hindi, and you can get a good degree, whether it is a mathematics degree or computer science degree or any other degree in your local language. Friends, let me tell you another important thing. See, this is the key to success which I am telling you today. See, today the country is going through a phase where either we will be at the top in the world or we will be at the lowest level in the world. So technology will play a key role, and you must have noticed, or you will notice, that the people who are aware of technology, who knows different technologies, they are in demand in employment. And technology here I mean, let us say for example artificial intelligence, data analysis, machine learning, business analytics, blockchain technology, risk analysis, financial modeling, fintech technologies. Friends, whether you belong to commerce, mathematics, social science, you must be exposed to new technologies, and you must learn that. We cannot teach each and everything, but you will have the platforms in this college that we will guide you how to learn these technologies, and once you will learn, you will see, you will be a different person, and you will be absorbed by the industry, and you will be in great demand, whether in India or abroad. Another important thing I always tell my students and tell my young friends, see, always feel young and energetic while in the college or at any place. Be confident about yourself. What I am trying to say is learn various life skills, learn various communication skills, learn various other skills like creativity and critical thinking. Friends, what are life skills? Life skills is those skills which help you in lead your life happily and also in a ethical way. See, maintain your body. The education is of no use if you are not physically fit, if you are not mentally fit. The employment is of no use if you are not physically fit or mentally fit. You should enjoy your work. Don't be pressurized by your parents or peers to do certain things. If your mind or heart says something for you, you must follow that. That is the key to success. Always maintain certain standards about your life. If you get up at 7 in the morning, always do that. Not that this is a weekend, I will sleep till 9. Do some physical exercises, do some yoga, do some meditation. You can see the difference in your life and your education. Friends, another important thing is that we always notice among our students that they lack writing skills. They cannot write good English or good Hindi. I'm not saying that you should be able to write everything, but if you are writing in Hindi, you should write correct Hindi. If you are writing in English, you should write correct English. So learn these skills, talk to your teachers. We will offer certain courses and learn also through your peers, through your parents, through your other sources. This is very important. So communication skills, writing skills and life skills, these are the key to success. Another important thing today I would discuss with you here in this college, that we take various initiatives which are social initiatives, environmental initiatives and initiatives which are helpful to the society at large. Think always what you can do to poor sections of the society, what you can do to others who cannot afford and you can afford. We have here association with various NGOs where you can go and teach the students from deprived sections of the society. You can work in old age homes. You can work with the social organizations. You can work with the police organizations. You can work with anyone whom you are interested in. In this college, we produce 150 kilowatt of solar energy, which in itself is an example. And I wish that all of you must install some kind of solar in your own homes. Similarly, we conserve water, we recharge the water resources through conservation of water. We store them in a pit. All rainwater is stored and then it goes for recharging of soil. And that has created a very good environment all around, that people in the society are also getting a lot of water through our initiatives. Another important thing which we have done is to recycle each and every waste. You will see once you will visit the college. We recycle the green waste, we recycle the food waste, we recycle the plastic, we recycle the papers. Everything we do not recycle, we give it to this agency who recycles, and we also make money and out of it. We also give e-waste for recycling. We also give medical waste for recycling. So similarly, I want that you should take these initiatives in your neighborhood or at your home, because charity begins at home. So friends, our objective is to make you good citizens of this country, make you responsible citizens, dutiful citizens of this country. Always Most of us talk about rights, but we never talk of duties. Duties are more important. Do not expect everything from the government. Rather, I should say, never accept anything from the government. Do it yourself, and you will make your life more easier, comfortable, and better. This is my promise to you. And once again, I congratulate you for joining Ramanujan College and to get success in your life and remain associated with Ramanujan College. That will give you a lot of pride. Thank you very much.